Hello. We are here in the Klaaswaal in the Netherlands, in the lofts of Hugo Battenberg, of Battenberg van der Merwe. Hugo, he is one of the most famous long distance racers in the world, I would say. Since he was a child, he was fascinated by pigeons and pigeon sport, and now his ultimate goal is the long distance, to perform well in the international races of the long distance, and especially Barcelona, but also the other long distance races. And the last years were incredible, with unbelievable performances. And this year Hugo had a pigeon that won 2 times top 10 national on the international long distance races. Hello, Hugo.
Hello.
So, well, we are here on the PIPA live stream Facebook, and we have about 43,000 people that are member, and I can see a lot of people are watching already. My brother Hussein Baban, Bashir Nema, Sandor Kovac, Kenny Rats. More and more people start to watch. We want to show some very special pigeons today in a video, and we would also like to ask you some questions. So maybe first you can tell us something about the pigeon you are handling now.
This pigeon is the new laureate, the international winner from Barcelona. He's one of our most important pigeons we have on the moment. He's a very good breeder. A lot of grandchildren win top national this year, like Mark Gilbert, the first national Barcelona with a grandchild. He is now 10 years old.
You don't see that he's old. He looks like in a perfect...
Yes, he's in perfect condition.
So what do you do, Hugo, to keep pigeons in such a good shape?
Yeah, the pigeons are my life. I take care of them every day, 7 days a week. That are my baby. This is my child.
And what do you do? Do you do special things to keep them in such a good shape, like new laureates?
I most try to do the natural way, like also with the breeding with him. Sometimes I let him feed his own children, and I never give him two hens together, always one hen, and I let them breed on the eggs. I try to do the most natural system. I think that's the best.
And I can see already over almost 70 people are watching at this moment live. I can see from Portugal, Philippines, at the LOFT,
Okay.
Rui Oliveira. So all your fans are watching. But it's an amazing bird. It's incredible. It's I think this year the national winner of UK Barcelona.
Yeah, Mark Gilbert
was a grandchild of new laureate.
A grandchild of new laureate. The same pigeon win first national Perpignan the year before.
And the first national winner of Mark Gilbert Perpignan this year?
No, the year before. It was the same pigeon.
Same pigeon. And he also had another national victory with the grandchild?
From Poitiers.
Poitiers?
Yeah. And my number 5 national ace pigeon from this year was also a granddaughter of him. Jelle Jellema also with the Linyada with new laureate. His number 2 international Perpignan was a grandchild. The year before 3 international Perpignan was also a grandchild of new laureate Linyada.
And what is so special about new laureate? When you think about new laureate, what things you can say?
What things I can say when I think about New Laureate. New Laureate is Baternburg van der Merwe. New Laureate is the pigeon, the important pigeon of here. He's my life. He's everything here. He's like the Harry by Jan Hoijmans, is the New Laureate, and the Porsche by PAC is New Laureate here.
He seems very happy and not nervous. He's a calm pigeon.
Yeah, he's a calm pigeon. He's a calm pigeon. And like I have 33 breeding couples, and in all the couples is the cock or the hen is direct from him. He is in all my pigeons because I believe in him.
So he's 10 years old and still filling.
And still filling, yeah.
So thank you very much. So
Okay.
maybe we can see another nice pigeon. Today is a sunny day. In Holland it's about, I think, 19 degrees. And see, the pigeons are enjoying laying down in the sun, resting, having a bath. So this is not a big accommodation actually. For people would expect huge lofts, but Hugo has just a normal accommodation. It also looks like a special pigeon, Hugo. Who is that?
This is the special one. The Barcelona winner from a few years ago. He was the only pigeon on the day. That's the reason we call him the special one. He was 9 o'clock at home, and it was the only pigeon who are at home on the same day from Barcelona. And his first pigeon that I bred from him, I put it in my racing team, and she went directly to International Narbonne, a direct daughter of him. So that was amazing. And this year, my first pigeon from Pigeon, and also the first pigeon from Jelle Jellema from Pigeon, was direct from him, in combination with New Laureate blood.
Can you show the wing again? You also told me that the special one is one of the favorite pigeons of Jellema.
Yeah. This is Jellema. The first time that Jellema came to me, when I have the special one, I give him, and he said, "Wow, that's my type. It's a small one." Jelle liked the small pigeons, and he is also paired with Kleine Jade.
Now he's paired with Kleine Jade. So we see New Laureate, first international winner in 2013, special one. First international winner in 2015.
And 14 was Kleine Jade.
14 is Kleine Jade, is also here, so
Yes.
it's amazing. And
Yeah.
Kleine Jade is coupled on special one. Can we see Kleine Jade?
Yeah. Okay.
Thank you very much. What a pigeon. And immediately such a good breeding pigeon. Special one is one of his first children, or maybe his first child, won second international in Narbonne. So I still remember when Hugo bought the pigeon that people were a little bit septic. It was a French pigeon, the distance was not long enough. But you can see that it was a special pigeon. It was a very, very hard Barcelona race in 2015, and only one pigeon arrived the same day. That was a special one. Won by Kufel. And so we go into the little palace of Hugo. You can see New Laureate. All the trophies. You can see the wonder pigeon, Cristiano, if you're looking. I think Hugo is using the wonder pigeon on a daily basis. A special one, new laureate. And other top pigeons. Hello Murtada, welcome. I can see Murtada from Iraq is also watching. Many people, many friends are watching. Hello everybody. Hope you're enjoying this. So the third pigeon we see today, and hello brother. It's Murtada.
Ah, wat is dat?
So the third pigeon we see today, and can you tell us something about this pigeon?
This is the linyada from Jelle. She's paired now on the
So
moment.
we see 3 pigeons today and 3 international Barcelona winners.
It's a very smart pigeon and a very good breeding hen. She have give good breeders with the new laureate and also with the special one. In my place and in Jellema's place.
Try to zoom in on the eye. They all have very nice eyes, these Barcelona winners. And kleine jade means small klein, so
Yes,
she's a small
she's
pigeon.
a small pigeon. Some people said very small. But she's very clever. Very smart. She sees everything.
Can you show the wing? This is the wing of kleine jade.
And
So at this moment about 120 people are watching Hugo. So it's one of the most popular videos that PIPA made so far. It seems that you're very popular. Also our friend Floria Sorin just popped in from Romania. He's watching.
hello, Floria.
Hello Floria. Super quality pigeons and special people. So kleine jade is the mating hen of new laureate most of the time.
Yeah, most of the time. And
So the last 2 children of new laureate and kleine jade will be sold soon on PIPA. And after that, not a single bird from this pair will be sold again. So thank you very much. And do you have another international winner here?
yes,
From Australia, Brisbane, Sydney, India, Philippines. Hello everybody. Welcome to this PIPA live stream video. We have seen already the new laureate, the special one. Hello Hardy from Germany. We have seen the kleine jade, 3 international winners. And now we asked from Liverpool. Hello from Liverpool, Philippines. We asked to see more. And Hugo will come to show another pigeon, another international winner. Unbelievable. Abu Dhabi, from Belgium, from Australia. Hello everybody. Hussein Baban from Saudi, Egypt. It's a very international, from Morocco. Hardy, I will do the greetings to Hugo. From Pampanga, Philippines. So this is the house. From New Zealand. Hugo, even people from New Zealand, from Iraq, from everywhere.
okay.
Turkey, Northern Ireland.
It's an international video.
International video.
So I can show the international winners.
International. Oh, this looks like an amazing pigeon too.
Yes, this is the Sumerian fighter. The Barcelona winner from 2 years ago. It was the hardest Barcelona ever.
from Romania also. This is his wing.
Sumerian fighter.
So he won the first international Barcelona last year. 2017.
Yeah, 2017.
2017.
Yeah. By Leon Rocks. It was so hard. I think the first pigeon made 800 meters or something like that.
That's incredible.
He arrived here, and there was in Belgium no pigeon.
Yeah, that's
That's
unbelievable.
amazing. That's never happened before. It's a very strong pigeon.
On which distance did he race?
1165
That's
kilometer.
Incredible.
1165 kilometer.
So 4 pigeons, 4 international winners. Do you cross these pigeons with each other?
Yeah. My dream is to make a pigeon, and I think I have already now where all the 4 international winners in one pigeon.
Really?
Yes.
Can you show us that pigeon?
Yeah.
Can you tell us about the pedigree of that pigeon, because I think our viewers would like to see it.
Okay. I take the pigeon.
Thank you.
Yeah.
So we have seen 4 pigeons now, 4 international winners. Hello from Romania. For the people who are just popping in now, you can later on rewatch the video. Hello Rudy from Reslede. How are you? One of the biggest superstars of the Belgian pigeon sport, Rudy de Saar, is just popping in. So people from all over the world. I would like to live here as a pigeon. It's nice, quiet. I think the pigeons are being taken care of very well. I see Steven Merlan, the son of Etienne Merlan, another superstar. Mitya Kobal. Hello from California, USA. From Italy. Hello everybody. So we are curious which pigeon Hugo is going to show us now. 140 people are watching now, Hugo. They are all big fans of you.
It's amazing.
Tell us something about this pigeon.
This is a young hen. And this is the pigeon with the 4 international winners in the pedigree.
So the father is?
The father is Sumerian fighter. So she's a direct daughter from Sumerian fighter. And the mother is a daughter of Special One. And Special One was paired with a daughter NEWBIE linyada.
Wow. That's 4 international winners in one pigeon.
Yeah.
That's I don't know if this ever happened before.
I can do that this year for the first time.
So Mitya Kobal asks to say hi to you, Hugo.
Hello Mitya. Welcome.
Hugo, I'm really curious to handle this pigeon. So you need to take my phone.
Yeah?
Just hold it like this. You can film me. We'll say in the sun. Wow. This is an amazing pigeon. It's not only good from pedigree, but it's
a beautiful girl.
It's a beautiful girl. That's the name?
A beautiful girl.
That's the name?
Yes.
You will give her? So,
and I think she is 4 months old or 5 months old.
Ah, she has a beautiful eye.
Yes.
She's very soft feathers. And what a pedigree. And how do you manage to keep the pigeons so healthy? They all look like, wow. Very vital, very healthy, very soft feathers. Where are you?
I take care of the pigeon by myself. I do everything by myself. I have not a loft manager. I do everything by myself every day, 7 days a week. It's my life. I do it with pleasure, and things you do with pleasure, you like that.
Hello, Guy van der Aura from Belgium. That's amazing. So this hen is ready to couple to the next international Barcelona winner.
Yes, Freddy. Here she is.
So, is there any other special pigeon you would like to show our viewers?
Maybe my ace pigeon.
I think your ace pigeon, that a lot of people are interested to see your ace pigeon. Hugo Battenberg this year had an ace pigeon. First national ace pigeon in Holland. Won 2 times top 10 on the international races. I can see people from Morocco, from everywhere watching. It's this is the place where people sit and watch for the arrivals of Barcelona. Hello from the Philippines. Norwegia. Hello, Norwegia. Ah, thanks, Morteza, to share the movie on PME. That's good. That's good. This is like the mecca of the international Barcelona pigeon sport here. Hugo, this is your ace pigeon.
Yes, this is the blue ace.
And I think from Czech Republic as well. I don't know.
She is 2 years old now.
No, it's not from.
And
2 years old.
2 years old. And she was my first pigeon from Po, and that was national number 9. And 3 weeks later, I basked her for Saint Vincent, for the national race Saint Vincent, and she was number 2 national.
Number 2. Wow.
There's number 9 and number 2 national. And
what is the pedigree of the pigeon?
She have a lot old Witbuik blood. And the mother is new Witbuik, and the father is a lot of old Witbuik blood, and also from the new ace from Wilson Dakens.
So I think this pigeon will go to the breeding loft.
No, she don't go to the breeding loft. She go to Barcelona next year.
To Barcelona, so you will raise a first national ace pigeon.
Yes. Because
again.
I know she can race Barcelona, because after Saint Vincent, she was already national ace pigeon, we thought. I have put her on Pigeon.
Yeah.
And Pigeon was very, very, very hard race. Was almost the other day, 5 o'clock in the afternoon she arrived, and she was 300 national.
Yeah, still good.
She can race 2 days.
Yeah. Mitya Kobal has a full sister of blue ace.
I know.
So yeah, who knows what she can do next year on Barcelona.
Ik zal die 5 ook nog even pakken.
And Hugo also has the 5th national ace pigeon in the past racing season. Patrick van de Putte from Belgium. They have a super pigeon this year. Congratulations. People in Arabic comments say they want to see Barcelona National. Barcelona National winner is not here anymore, New Witbuik. So this is the 5th national ace pigeon.
Yeah, this is the 5th national.
First
ace.
and the 5th national ace pigeon.
And she was also from Po. She was my second pigeon. She was 11 national Po and 30 national Marseille.
From Hungary. 30.
National 30. Yeah.
Oh, that's amazing.
And Marseille was very hard. Was with the Mistral.
This pigeon will go to the breeding loft?
No, she also go to Barcelona next year.
So for Barcelona next year will be difficult for the competitors.
And she is the bloodlines of her. Her father is a direct son of nieuw laureaat with kleine jade. And her mother is direct daughter of the jonge witbuik.
That's again your old witbuik strain. This moment 200 people are watching you, Hugo. I didn't know you had such a huge fan base, but I think already thousands of different people were watching so far. That's amazing. That's an amazing pigeon. Nice
Yes.
wing.
She's also 2 years and
Only 2 years
and
old.
when she was a yearling, she will have also 2 good results. One on Agen and one on Narbonne.
So you select the pigeons as a yearling already?
Yeah, I give them as a yearling 2 times almost 1,000 kilometer race.
Bert Sarlos is watching. That's one of your neighbors here,
Hello,
no?
Bert. Yes, yes, yes. I know him many years. He's a very good racer here.
Yeah. So amazing. That's amazing. So and this year I heard you bought another special Barcelona pigeon.
Alegria.
So that's the
The hen who win the national Barcelona race in France. And she was 3rd international totally.
so maybe we can also
Okay.
take a look at
yes.
her, and then unless some fans want to see some more pigeons, I think we are about to finish this movie and see Alegria, the 3rd International Barcelona 2018. Hello, Jianming from China. I was just talking with Jianming 30 minutes ago or 1 hour ago, and now I see he's watching as well. Hello, Jianming. So now we are waiting to see the 3rd International Barcelona 2018 Alegria, raced by Ludovic Girardo, I believe. And I think we could spend here a full day showing all kind of super pigeons. Somebody wants to see the best yearling, Sergio Vanani. I will ask Hugo if it's possible to see the best yearling. We will see what he says. So Hugo, somebody is asking to see your best yearling after this.
Okay.
So, but first, show us this pigeon.
This is Alegria.
Wow.
Very beautiful one. She won National Barcelona in France. She was the first pigeon arrive from the international race. And totally she was number 3 international Barcelona this year. And the year before she has also a good result on Barcelona and Perpignan. It's a nice, very nice hen.
Also, what you see is they always have nice,
Yes.
long feathers with a good ventilation. Tom from Australia watching. Kevin van Hastel from Belgium. 210 people at this moment. A lot of Arabic people from the Middle East are watching.
Okay. I'm very happy with her.
They're very happy.
Yes. Now she's paired with nieuw laureaat.
So paired with nieuw laureaat.
Yeah, and the first eggs were good.
Yeah.
And I hope soon she lie again, 2 eggs.
So you don't stop breeding now with nieuw laureaat. You keep on going.
Yeah, but I think the youngsters who came now, I let feed them by himself.
Yeah.
I do it slowly.
So yeah, that's good. So your best yearling, somebody asked.
Yeah.
So we're about to finish this movie. We were on a request from hello Pedro Ruigrok. On a request from Sergio Vanani, we will show the best yearling. If there are people who want to see other pigeons, you can always ask us, and I can ask Hugo if he still wants to show more pigeons. Ruud Bakker from Holland. Hello, Ruud. From Manila, Philippines. I thought Hugo was only popular in Europe, but I think it seems that everybody. I think we already have maybe 40-50 different countries here. That's quite amazing. We never had so many people watching a PIPA live stream video as today. So this is the famous Harry of Jan Hoijmans. Hugo also did co-breeding with Jan Hoijmans a few years ago, which resulted in very excellent performances. First national Agen was won by pigeons with Hoijmans in the pedigree. This pigeon, the Jan, was the first national Agen. A lot of Harry in the bloodline. Somebody else asked, please ask Hugo to show as a pigeon who is born at his loft and is made there from 2-3 generations. We will see what Hugo says. First, let us take a look at this pigeon.
This is a yearling.
We can maybe go in the sun a little bit more.
This is a yearling hen. She have race international race Agen, and I put her on the international race from Pigeon.
Also from Japan, people are watching.
And she was my first and my second pigeons from Pigeon were yearlings. This was my second pigeon.
And what the national prize on Pigeon?
Top 25. And she was the second yearling national.
Second yearling. Jordi is watching. Hello, Jordi.
Hello, Jordi.
So that's a super pigeon. What is the pedigree?
The father is a son of LAUREEAT, and the mother is a daughter of Witbuik.
So LAUREEAT is putting his yes. Mark on your colony.
Yeah.
From
Pigeon, I was first and second. You see the birds. I was first and second national with yearlings from Pigeon. The first one was a child of special one, and the second one was a grandchild of LAUREEAT.
People are asking to see the first international Barcelona, but we already showed all the international Barcelona winners, so you can go back. The bloodline, Sergio, he just mentioned Hugo. Drink some coffee. So I think it's good for today, Hugo. We are very happy to be here, and
it was a pleasure for me to show the pigeons, the international Barcelona winners. I'm very proud of them. And I'm very proud that I can breed with him.
I can see that pigeons are your passion and your life.
It's my life.
So PIPA is happy to be here, and we are also very happy to work with you together and to be able to sell your pigeons on PIPA and to offer them to the people worldwide. So your first auction on PIPA will be now I think in November. So For the people who are interested in the pigeons of Hugo, from all the pigeons you have seen, I think there will be descendants in the auction. So thank you very much for watching, and have a nice day.
Goodbye.
Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye Hugo.
Bye.